This two video you're seeing here has gotten 1K view. This is a lifestyle video that has gotten 1K view, and this is how to make money channel that has gotten 1K view. How to make money video that has gotten 1K view. First of all, this is what you want to know as a new YouTuber. Starting up a YouTube channel can be very easy, as simple as ABCD, but the most difficult thing is what is going to be my niche. And aside what is going to be my niche, this particular niche that I'm choosing, is it really going to be profitable to me? Will I really going to be making that much coins from this particular niche? All of that thought that has been running through your mind has once run through my mind. That was why I decided to bring these two videos that you guys are seeing here. And the good part of these two videos is that I posted this on the 14th, which is our anniversary, 27th of May this year, and I posted this on the 28th of May 2024. So that is to say the difference between these two videos is just 1 day difference. And you can see that comparing the views of these two videos are not making too much difference when it comes to views. You can see them here. In this video, the first thing I'm going to be doing for you is to tell you how much 1K view pay me for 2024 with a lifestyle content and then with a how to make money content. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Sonia, and I have two monetized channel, which is the one I do my lifestyle, and sometimes I do a little bit of tutorials, which is this particular channel that you're watching this video from. And then sometimes I also bring in how to make money, because Sonia has not really settled down in one particular niche. And then in this other channel, I have Sonia Onoja, which is where I do a lot of tutorials on how you can make money, apps that you can live stream and then get money to that your account, or website that can also bring small coins to your account. The question is, Sonia, why are you actually bringing this video here? Sonia is bringing this video to help you that is a searching YouTuber to pick up the right niche, okay? Because it's not all about uploading videos. You can see some people here on this street uploading videos every day, back to back, up and down, uploading 2-3 videos, but trust me, in a day, but they're not even making up to people that are just uploading once in 2 weeks, or once in a week, or once in a month, because probably their niches might be paying them higher, and some of them, their niches might be paying them lower. So let me use these two videos as an elastic measure for you and give you guys a detailed, honest review how much YouTube pay me for 1,000 view. End of this video, you are going to be asking yourself, which particular niche should I choose, or should I choose? Pardon my English. So with all of that being said, let's go into my other phone so that we can start our screen record, okay? And for this one of the lifestyle, I'm going to be attaching it here. Then for the how to make money, I'm going to be putting it here. So we're going to be starting with the how to make money, okay? So I will be using this video that I've shown you guys on I celebrated my anniversary, how we celebrated our first year anniversary as couples from different places. So this video, right from when it was published, right from that 27th of May that it was published, it has gotten 1,290 views, and of which is not bad. I'm grateful, okay? So now the next thing we need to do is let's go into the detail of this video. So for the reach of this video has gotten 36.1K impression, as you guys can see. And how viewers found this video: browse features, channel page, suggested videos, YouTube search, and others. External sites or sites or apps, you can see Google and Google search. YouTube search them, Vibe with Sonia. They're using my name to search. And then another one is how to dress for hello body. I don't even know this person. Skin doctor toner review. I don't know this person. Then content suggesting, my video is cultural shocks in Nigeria. I don't even know the name of this video. New wife series, before you marry Igbo. This is actually my video. The 3 greatest luxury. I don't even know all this video, but I'm so grateful for all of these contents that are suggesting my videos. And now let's go to the engagement of this video, because I want to make this video as quick as possible. For the engagement of this video has gotten 27.9 watch time, of which is not even that much, okay? Sorry. Of which is not even that much. And for my audience retention, this is 1 minute 17 seconds, okay, for lifetime, for a video of 12 minutes plus, and it's barely getting even up to 3 minutes view. And then for the likes and dislikes, you guys can see it here. So let's go to the audience of this video, so that I say I want to make it quick, but I need to talk slowly for my friends and returning people. So for my returning viewers, I have 295 people that has watched this video and then coming back to also still try to like watch this video. Probably maybe they stop the video halfway or stuff like that, I don't know. Then for the age people that are watching this video, it's just 25 to 34. This is obviously people that they just want to get married, okay, and stuff like that. Just people within my range, my age mate range. And you can see most gender that are watching, or 100% gender that are watching this video, are female that are watching this particular video. So this video is not even 1% of male is watching this video. Then you can see the top geographicals that are watching it, which is United States is my #1, and I love you guys. Shout out to you guys, United States. Mwah. Then second one, Nigeria. Then third, Indian. I know if I click there will be others, but let's not go into all of that. And then you can see all of this here, which is the language subtitle and the rest of that. Then if we go to the overview of this video, let's go back to the overview of this video so that you guys will see that this video has just given me one subscriber, just one subscriber added from this video, and of which is really not encouraging. Now let's go to the revenue of this video. For the revenue of this video has made $1.52. That is, today dollar is 1,300 or something. Obviously this video has made like 2,000 naira in naira. Okay, and it's something to be grateful for, because the video is still picking up, and I believe the video will still pick up and blew up very well. So then how you make money on YouTube, you can see it here: channel page ad and YouTube premium 1.5%, very small. Then your video performance, for every 1K view I get to make from this particular lifestyle video I posted, I'm going to be making $1.18. And then how much advertisers are paying me? Advertisers are paying me $6.43, and of which is decent enough. Seriously, compared to some of my videos, it's decent enough. So all I need in this video is to have enough views, and that means I'm going to be getting some coins more. Then earnings by ad, so you can see skippable, display, non-skippable, and the rest of that. And that brings us to the end of this particular one. Okay, so I'll end this one now, then we'll move right to my what they call it, we'll move back to the other content, which is the how to make money content. So let me just go back from here. So for this video is a video of 25 minutes video, and this video is a video I titled "The Newest Way to Make Money on Poppo Live Stream App." Full explanation how to make more money. Okay, so let's click this video. You guys can see that for the overtime of this video has been able to make 1,208 views. Okay, 1,208 views. As I said, the difference of these two videos is not that much. So you will now know how you can be able to sort out yourself in terms of anything that you want to get. Okay, then for the how viewers found my channel through YouTube recommendation, channel page, YouTube, you can see that this one is even more a bit encouraging than the other one. Then this one, audience retention. For everyone that click this video, they watch at least 6 minutes 57 seconds. A 25 minutes video, they are watching at least 6 minutes 57 seconds, while a 12 minutes plus video, they are watching at least 1 minute and some 17 seconds or something like that. You can see the two difference. Then now let's go to the real time of this video. For the real time of this video, in the last 24 hours, this video has gotten extra 286 views. Now let's go to the reach of this video. For the reach of this video has gotten an impression of 15.3k impression, while the other video is getting impression of 30 something k. You guys saw when I did that one. Okay, and you can see how viewers found this video: suggested, YouTube, and the rest of that. WhatsApp.com search, which is external site and web. You can see YouTube search them, and content suggesting. You can see that a lot of content that is even suggesting these videos are my content, and they are also content related to what people made about these particular videos or this particular topic that I choose. Now let's go to the engagement of this video. For the engagement of this video has gotten 137 watch hour, and of which that one is barely even up to 30, which is for the lifestyle is even barely up to 30 views. For the audience retention, I've shown you guys the likes and dislikes. Now let's move to the audience of this video. For the audience of this video, I have 668 returning viewers, which is more than the other one. Okay, And for the age that are watching also, they are also 25 to 34 years. That's people that are also watching, people still within my range of my age. And then for also the people that are watching this video more, they are what, mainly female, okay, because I believe that it's mostly female that are always going online to like look for what and what they can actually add. But now let's look at the top geographicals of this video, which is Nigerian is my number one, while in my lifestyle video United States is my number one, and then we have Ghana, we have Philippines. Okay, you can see that the two top countries that are watching, or the three top countries, are different when it comes to my how to make money, and then when it comes to my... Sorry guys, we have some glitch. My phone is how many percent, 60 something percent charge, and the thing just went off. That's to say I need a new phone. Forgive me guys. So you guys can see the top geographical like I was saying before, and then you can see the top subtitled English, Spanish small. I don't even know how they take even the watching for Spanish. Then you can see that I'm not subscribed. Please, if you are watching, please subscribe, okay? And then let's move to the revenue of this particular video. Then for the revenue of this particular video, can you guys see a very big difference? This video has gotten $3.88, okay, $3.88. And how you make money through YouTube watch paid ads on page ads only. Then YouTube video performance, you can see for every 1K view that I get to make up to $3.90. You can see that is way different from that one. That one I get to make $1 and some cents. Why this one I get to make $3.90? That's obviously getting to like over 4,000 naira or 5,000 naira safe, okay? Then how much YouTube advertisers are paying? Advertisers are paying $5.90. You can see that the difference between this one is, for how much advertisers are paying in that other video is way higher than how much advertisers are paying in this particular video. And you can see earnings by skippable bomber and the rest of that. You can see all of that here. So these are the two video analyses that I've been able to do for you guys. Now let's talk. So let me stop this screen record first. Now you will not know that in making your decision, just know that as a lifestyle person, it will be like a little bit difficult for someone to like fall in love with your lifestyle. I'm saying this out of experience. Yes, I remember even when I started to this point, this year will make me 3 years on YouTube, which is next month 18th. I'll be 3 years on YouTube. And for my 3 years on YouTube, a lot of people have not been able to fall in love with my lifestyle, except for more of my tutorials that I am doing. Then you can also see that coming clearly from the revenue, the videos of how to make money are way paying better than the videos of your lifestyle. I'm not saying other person's lifestyle cannot actually pay this. There are people that have luxurious lifestyles that get to show things, and advertisers are willing to like spend billions, millions of money to be able to like get people's attention, and then they are going to be making way higher. But for those of us that are new in the industry, those of us that have not upgraded our level yet, let me say, like our gadget and every other stuff that will make some things make it look attractive, it is very, very advisable for you to do other things and try other things for you to be able to know the particular one that will actually be paying you better, okay? Yes, and I can just clearly say this, even for my how to make money channel, I have not even posted the whole of last month. I didn't post. I think I just posted just once this month, or I posted like twice last month, but I've still been able to make something out of it compared to if I did not post at all when it comes to my lifestyle channel. And my lifestyle channel has over 15,000 subscribers, while that one has over 4,000 subscribers, getting to 5,000 subscribers. So it is not left for you. The ball is in your court for you to be able to choose which particular niche do you want to fall into. Then if you want me to advise you, I will say, as a starting YouTuber or as a growing YouTuber or as a new YouTuber, it is best for you to put your hands everywhere. Most of these tutorials that I do, a lot of you can also do these particular tutorials. All you need to do is just to get those apps and website, check them out, get your research done, make sure that if they are paying you or not, because most of the websites that are not paying me, I don't come here to like talk about them on my channels. So I work basically with what is paying me. That is why most of my videos, probably people will be seeing like like when it comes to like some tutorials, I choose some specific apps that I will do tutorials back to back about. Okay, then on that thing I'm going to be telling you is that I'm not discouraging you. I'm not telling you that your lifestyle is not good enough. Your lifestyle is good. My lifestyle can be paying me less and your lifestyle can actually be paying you high. But trust me, before I actually do this video, I checked some other person's lifestyle, and I don't want to be mentioning names because I don't want the street to get toxic. So this person will not be like, oh, you are mentioning money. Why are you mentioning money? You know, I don't know how this YouTube plays work because I've been seeing a lot of basketballs on this particular space. Okay. So, but anyway, I've been able to watch like how much YouTube pays some of these lifestyle YouTubers. And there was one lady's own that I watched day before yesterday, and honestly, I really felt for her. In fact, I did cry for her because she was like in a whole month, she don't even get to make up to like $10. And this lady is consistent when it comes to lifestyle because that is just what she keep uploading. And this is not to say her lifestyles are definitely not going to be doing well. They are going to be doing well, but compared to my channel, because she has more subscribers more than me, she have more I would say more engagements when it comes to her lifestyle. My lifestyle is really doing well, honestly. So it is not left for you to choose. That's why I say I don't want to mention name. It is not left for you to choose using this my tutorial analysis to know which particular niche do you want to fall into. Okay, and then it is also left for me to choose which particular niche do I want to fall into. Probably in the future you guys might be seeing that most of the videos I'll be uploading here will be how much and will be how to make money content, how much you should pay me, and some of these YouTube tutorials. And probably it might not, probably it might still be the same thing, but this is to say if you're a YouTuber out there, you also look out for what best fits you. I hope this video has been able to encourage someone out there, so it's not be like I'm ranting too much. If you've not watched, you can still go back and rewatch this video over and over again, because trust me, you need this video. You definitely need this video. Okay, you can watch the two difference again and then know the particular thing that you're going to fix yourself into. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and thank you for staying stick and hook with me to the end of this video. And yeah, with no further ado, I do like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. So for now, bye guys. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't also forget to drop me your comments. Don't also forget to share for every other persons to get this video so that I can be able to help thousands of people. Bye. I love you guys for the last time.